Hello, today's invention is the jig for making cuts when you got miters. So what you do is you actually put the mitre pieces in to the jig, then you place the fastening thing and that tightens up. Now when you cut the things, you will then be able to make cuts along the middle of that. This jig is easy to make. It's just a few pieces of wood, and as you can see, all I did was made a piece of right angle, which is there, and basically this piece of right angle, I drilled the holes to it and they obviously go straight through. Then I got two pieces of wood with the mitre cuts in them. These were glued to the main piece, and then they were actually fastened using screws. The screws have to be high so that it doesn't interfere with the cut.